installing a downpipe on the Subaru WRX V Limited. We'll also be showing you guys how it sounded before the downpipe and after the downpipe was replaced. As you can see here, we are removing the top 5 bolts from the downpipe. A little bit of a pain to get back there, but with a little bit of elbow grease, it's doable.
Wooded feet?
Wooded feet.
Oh yeah. It's that same gasket we have to use.
Nice.
Tailpipe, right?
Nah, like a regular exhaust piping. Some straight exhaust piping 3-inch.
Alright, what do you need for like the diameter?
Bruh.
Like,
3-inch.
like 3 inches for the diameter and 3 inches long?
Alrighty.
Subscribe.